In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync Zoom with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have Zoom integrated directly into your calendar so you can add Zoom meeting links to events in just a couple of clicks. We'll go step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to your Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use with Zoom. It's a good idea to double check that this is the same account where you usually manage your meetings and events, so everything stays in one place. Once your calendar is open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon there. This gear icon is where Google keeps the main settings and tools for your calendar. Go ahead and click the gear icon. When you click it, a small menu will drop down. In that menu, look for the option that says Get Add-ons. This is where you can connect extra tools and services like Zoom, so they work directly inside your calendar. Click Get Add-ons to open the add-ons window. A new panel will appear, usually in the middle of your screen, showing different apps and extensions you can connect with. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Click in the search bar and type Zoom. Take a second to make sure you spell it correctly, then press Enter or Return on your keyboard. In the search results, you're looking for Zoom for Google Workspace, and this is the official integration that lets you add Zoom meeting details right from Google Calendar events. Click on Zoom for Google Workspace to open its details page. Here, you'll see information about what the add-on does, along with screenshots and permissions. On this page, find the Install button and click it. When you do, Google will ask you to confirm the installation and may show you a list of permissions that Zoom needs in order to work with your calendar. Read through these so you understand what access you're granting. Then, if you're comfortable, confirm that you want to install the add-on. You might be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use and then sign in to Zoom or authorize Zoom to connect to that Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If a window pops up asking you to allow access, click Allow to complete the connection. Once installation is finished, the Zoom add-on will be linked to your Google Calendar. To use it, open or create a calendar event, and you should see an option to add a Zoom meeting directly from the event details. This means that anytime you schedule a meeting, you can generate a Zoom link without leaving Google Calendar. That's all you need to sync Zoom with Google Calendar using the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on. Now, your scheduling workflow should be much smoother with Zoom and Google Calendar working together in the background.